about coming home into the body. It's about coming home into your own being. So let's do a little practice about that. And the reason this is important is because if you can be at home with yourself, then you are going to be at home with your own value. When you're at home with your own value, you have space. You have space in the body. You have space in the mind to be thinking, to observing, to noticing, to be curious. And so, most things, most experiences that you're going to have in relationship are really about who you're being in the relationship. And the first place to begin the process of being is to actually be able to be with yourself. So I want to guide you through this very, very simple exercise and very simple training to begin to hold the idea that you can shift and expand yourself at any time in a very short period of time. So here's what we do. We're going to get you to close your eyes. So I want you to first just close your eyes. And you just don't have anything necessarily to do, but just allow yourself to think and be noisy in the brain. And those things are going to happen, but I want you to keep your eyes closed. As you keep your eyes closed, what I want you to do is then just guide your breath in the nose and out the mouth. And as you begin to guide the breath in the nose and out the mouth, what I want you to do is just place your right hand over your upper chest. And then if you can, just bring your left hand over the upper chest. So one hand over the other on the upper chest. You're breathing gently in the nose and out the mouth. Your eyes are closed. As you're breathing gently, I want you to both focus on where your hands are, but then also focus about maybe a foot outside of the body. So you're leaning into that foot outside the body as you're breathing. It's a nice, gentle, slow breath in the nose and out the mouth. Instantly, when you close your eyes, you shift into alpha brainwaves, which is a kind of slow, conscious, meditative state. It's a state where we have inward awareness, an inner sense of awareness of what's going on. That's essential because when we're combating the world around us, when we're in relationships, we are kind of setting things up. We're setting up the battlefield of the mind to look at the environment. When we close our eyes, we're basically shutting off the battlefield mentality and beginning the process of going inside. As we go inside, we're going to be faced with our own inner battlefield, much like into the outer battlefield, but we'll have some semblance of being able to have some say over the inner work and the inner domain and the inner mastery of things. So as we close our eyes, we're breathing gently in the nose and out the mouth, palm over the chest, and focusing our attention and awareness where our hands are moving to about a foot outside of our body. And as we slow our breath down, we're going to slowly bring that breath in the nose and out the mouth. And what I want you to do is I want you to focus on that breath being about 7 seconds on the inhale and then 7 seconds on the exhale. If you can do that, as you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to notice the breath of the chest just starting to expand. So just be with me on that. Great, and that's the first way that you actually begin the process of tuning in. Now, all you need to do is do this anywhere between 2 to 3 minutes, a few times a day, or even 1 minute every hour, and you'll begin the art of practicing the inward journey of connecting in and creating space and to be present with yourself. It's literally that simple. It's not to solve all your problems, but it's begin to cultivate the inner relationship that you're going to require to be your best in your family relationships. So that's how we begin, and good luck with your practice.